Our friends at Island Press shared this webinar with Planetizen Courses to amplify some of the really important messages about traffic safety and how it cuts across lines of race and class. The issue of traffic safety is a challenging one for planners in 2021. For the better part of a decade, politicians and city officials have been pledging to meet ambitious Vision Zero goals to eliminate traffic fatalities. While Vision Zero is clearly a popular talking point, and some progress seemed apparent in the first few years of these programs, most cities have been taking massive steps backward during the pandemic. In September 2020, when this discussion was recorded, the traffic safety setbacks of the pandemic were only beginning to become apparent. Since then, the statistics have only become more dire, making this discussion even more critical. The panel is named for a book by Angie Schmitt, published by Island Press in 2020, and Angie Schmitt also leads and moderates this discussion. So the panel promises leading experts sharing really valuable information about the state of traffic safety and what needs to be done to finally start making progress toward Vision Zero. We hope you enjoy the panel.